Simple-simple lang ikabit mga lods. Ganun lang kasimple. Pwede mo nang pang reels. Pwede mo ring pang YouTube na video. Sa video ito naman is tuturuan ko kayong paano magkabit ng ating GoPro camera. Ito ang ating GoPro camera. At kasama niya rin yung ating Ulanzi at GoPro mic adapter. May kasama na ring Boya mic. Ito ang kanyang mic na ilalagay natin sa loob ng helmet para klarong-klaro ang ating boses pag nagra-rides tayo mga lods. Tatanggalin muna natin siya para hindi mahirap ikabit kasi medyo may kabigatan siya. Unang-una natin ikakabit is yung helmet mount. Pwede ito maging 360. Simple lang. May ano na siya to, may mga pang-lock na siya. Kabit lang dito. Hihipitan ng maayos. Kailangan ito higpitan. Yan ang kanyang forma. So hihigpitan lang natin. Okay. So ito na siya. Pwede siya maging 360. Alright. Pwede siya maging horizontal at vertical. Napakaganda. Hanip. Pantayin natin. Okay. Yan. Pantay na. Okay. Saktong-sakto. Next, ikakabit natin tong Ulanzi GoPro housing niya. At kinabit na rin natin dito yung GoPro mic adapter. So, nakakonekta na siya dito. Itong GoPro mic adapter is ito yung nagsasalo o saksakan ng ating GoPro mic. Para mas malinaw yung ating boses pag nasa loob na tayo ng helmet. Pag nagra-rides, clear yung boses niya. Simple lang ikabit. Ito lang. Mayroon siyang alright. Ganito na ang forma niya. Malaki. Pwede siyang 360. Ito ang ating GoPro. Kakabit natin dito. Pasok lang siya. Ito na ang forma niya mga lods. pag nakabit na niya yung helmet mount at saka GoPro bracket. Isang saksak mo dito yung mic. Yan. Siyempre siya sa gilid. Ayos. Yan yung forma niya. Ito naman yung mic is ikakabit natin sa mic adapter dito. Alright, nakakabit na yung mic adapter. So ipapasok po lang ito sa helmet para yung boses natin is clear na clear kapag nagra-rides.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and
So
they
ito
just
na
want
siya
you to
mga
settle
lods.
and do the right thing.
GoPro
Get a good
Ulanzi
job,
case
don't
at
slack
yung
off. Wake up every
helmet
morning,
mount
make a good impression
on.
on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you.
Nagre-record na yan.
Tell me how to live life in these times.
The best.
Feels like nobody's right. Yeah. So I'ma figure out
Pwede
what
natin
else
siyang
to succeed,
ikutin
and then
kapag
invest
gusto
all of
natin
my
ng
time
video
into
na
that and proceed.
pang reels.
I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have
Yan.
a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it.
Yan.
They want me to do
Pag gusto natin ng video na pang reels, yan, ikutin lang natin.
I'll be famous, but I don't give a
Ayos.
fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never
So yun lang mga lods, napakadali lang ikabit yung ating GoPro mount sa ating helmet. Yung Ulanzi case natin, ready na pang vlog, ready na. Ready na for the rides. Simple-simple lang ikabit mga lods. Ganun lang kasimple. Pwede mo ng pang reels, pwede mo ring pang YouTube na video. Yes, ikutin mo lang to. Ikutin lang natin, tapos ganun. Alright. Yan. Hanip, pang YouTube na yan, na forma na yan.
Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I look back one day
Okay.
forever and say, damn, I learned some lessons, and say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense.
The best.
They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never
Susubukan natin ikabit.
They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Yan sa mga lods. Yan yung forma niya. So, naka side view. Ang ganda. Hanip. At ang gaan ng helmet natin. Saktong-sakto to pang long ride. So, salamat sa panonood mga lods. Next time ulit sa ating mga rides. Ayos. Ang ganda.